I'm going to demo our new enhancement to inbound EDI 210 transactions, which was an enhancement that we released at the 710, which allowed for carriers to send invoices via the EDI integration that we enabled. What this feature does is when an unmatched invoice comes in, meaning we can't find a load or an invoice to match that EDI transaction to, we will create what we call an unmatched EDI transaction within the system, which will allow your accounting users or any users that are dealing with invoices on a regular basis to look at this LWC and quickly match those invoices to the existing loads and then avoid all the manual entry that they were previously having to do. Okay, let's take a look. All right, so I already created an inbound EDI transaction. So you can see that our carrier here, EDI carrier, sent a load for $900, and the system wasn't able to match this against any existing loads or invoices within the system. So when you click on this new LWC, it's going to automatically bring in any loads that have the same carrier as your EDI transaction and try and match based on the last 6 months. We also allowed for some filtering to further fine-tune this location or this matching for your users. So if you want to perhaps select a different carrier, or if you want to search by a specific customer, you are able to do so. You can select by only loads that have been previously delivered or loads that are in transit that you might have received an invoice for, and then you can fine-tune that date range. Instead of just doing the 6 months, you can search for something in the last week. And then last but not least, if you know a specific invoice actually matches a specific load, you can go ahead and type in that load number here as well. Last but not least, once you've located your load that it needs to create the invoice for or that matches that XML transaction, you go ahead and just select it from the list of available loads, and you can hit Create New. What this will do is match the XML transaction to that load, and then behind the scenes create the invoice for your users. So I'll go ahead and go into the load I just matched. Here we go. And then go to the Quotes and Invoices tab, and you'll see that the transaction was already created. Again, just avoiding that manual data entry that your users previously had to do. So there it is. You've got your invoice and all of the XML related fields, so origin, destination, cost information, and any carrier due dates and things of those nature. All right, so the EDI 210 enhancement is something that I was personally really excited about because it allows your users to seamlessly get that XML information that was previously just sent via an email and allows them to see it in one LWC and quickly match those invoices to existing loads. Again, just eliminating a lot of the manual data entry that was previously required.